What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. So today's ticker symbol that we're breaking down is SNDL or SUNDIAL. We're currently down 8%, almost 9% within the first 30 minutes of the market opening, you guys. We did gap down just a little bit, but if we look to where we're gapping down to, it could be a possible entry for you guys as long as you have your stop loss set. Like I said, before getting into any trade or any stock, make sure to have your trading plan already set. You should already have your first target set, your entry, and then where you should be getting out if things do go sour. So I will give you an example on where these areas could be, and then you can apply your own analysis and go from there. So right now we're ranging between 77 to 78 cents. This top line represents our major resistance line. If we look left, we see that all these candlesticks had came up, got rejected, and ultimately pulled back to where we're at right now. We go farther back in time, we have these two candlesticks that came up and hit our resistance, ultimately pulled back, and then we have this one on this side, and then we have a couple on the opposite side working as support. And then down here is our major level of support that's been tested in the lowest area. We look left, we have all of these candles. There's about like 7 or 8 candlesticks on the opposite side working as resistance. Once we break above that, it works as a floor, as support, and I'll give you an example right here. Once we broke above that, we came up, came back down, tested our support, and ultimately, broke above that $3 mark. And we look back over here, we have those candlesticks, some riding on the support, and excuse me guys, I keep burping, and some on below that, so working as a resistance. So this level has been tested, and I'm sure if we were to go farther back in time, we can see more candlesticks hitting in these areas to further show that these levels are strong. So let's get into where we're at right now. So like I said, I am on the daily times or the daily interval, so keep that in mind. So we're almost right back down to our level. We're at 78, but we want to come back down to that 72 for the best entry that we can get. So if you can get in around this level, I would say that'd be the best opportunity to catch a bounce or a day trade move. If you're going to do a core trade or a swing trade, a longer term hold, obviously your first target would be back up here at the $1 or the $1.70. If you're day trading, like I said, it'd probably be back at the 92-cent level. That was our previous minor support line. Have your stop loss below this, maybe in the 69 or 68 cent area. So if things do continue to go sour, at least you'll be tagged out of this order. For as of right now, I love SUNDIAL, you guys. Out of all the stocks that I talk about, I love SUNDIAL the most. I think it has the most potential. And so other than that, I'm not really worried on the direction that we're headed as of right now. I see it as a big discount. But also, you guys, you just want to keep in mind that even though we are still dropping, we can drop further. But like I said, as long as you're protecting your assets, you can get in right at the 72-cent level. Just have your stop loss below that. Give yourself some room just in case we have a candlestick wick that breaks below that level. And other than that, if you guys like the stocks that I break down quickly so you guys can just have a good idea on what you're looking at, hit that like and subscribe button. Please put some stocks below that you want me to break down today. I have like 15 that I have to break down. I've never gotten that many from you guys, which I love. It allows me to make more content for you guys, and so I love what I do. And other than that, like I said, you guys, don't have FOMO. Wait for the best opportunity to get in. You could get in right now since we are down about 8%, but like I said, just still have that stop loss to protect you guys. That is like literally the backbone of trading, okay? So other than that, stay tuned for the next video, and have happy trading, you guys.